guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to be creating a very cool feature for your landing page. I'm not sure what the exact name is, but this is what it looks like, and I think it's going to be a really cool feature to add to your landing page. This is going to be a very short video, so just follow as I talk. And please do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. You could also put on your post notification button to know when I make a post. So let's get into it. So the first thing first is I'm going to quickly just add my text. I could either use the shortcut T or I go over here and add my text. So I'm going to put a welcome text. Well, my text is looking quite small, so I'm just going to go over here and change the size. Let me make it really big. I want everything to be in small letters, so I'm going to make this bold, just like that. I think I'm going to make the text even bigger so we can see clearly. Then I'm going to come in here, either I'm using my shortcut O, or I'm bringing in the ellipse tool, and I'm just going to place this circle here. I'm going to right click and send it back. I'll change the color of the circle to a color that works for me. So I'm going to use this really light color because I think it looks good. Now that I've done this, I'm going to just tap on this, hold on shift and tap on these two to select both of them, or you could just simply just drag and select all. Then I'll click on Ctrl D to duplicate it. So now we have a duplicate of this. This text on this second one I created, I'm going to change the color to white. Sorry. I'm just going to rename this to white text because I'm going to need it later, and I'm going to change this to top circle, just so I know what I'm doing. So I will still hold on shift and with this to select both of them and bring them on top of this, just like this. While I'm still selecting them, I'm going to right click and click on use as mask, and if you notice it has been converted into a mask. So I'll select all by dragging, I'll make a component out of it and click on this to add a variant. So now that this variant is added, I want to actually open on this second variant here and tap on the I want to select the top circle and this ellipse. So I'm just going to quickly just move this text away from here, and I'll select them by holding on shift and selecting both of them. Then I'll easily just move this to where I want it to move to when this is animated. So I think this is just okay. Then I'm going to switch to prototype and connect this first component to the second one. Put the prototype setting. I'm going to make this after delay. Sorry, why am I making this after delay? Because I do not want the user to take any action for this movement to be done. I want it to just move on its own, and I'm going to just leave this at this. I'm going to change this to Smart Animate. I'm going to convert this to custom. I'm going to probably make this 1800. I'll drag this a little further, just like this. I'll drag this over here a little bit like this. Let me see my value. So I'll drag it over here. I think I like this. So I'll just reciprocate this. That means connecting this second variant to the first one. Why are we doing this? Because we want it to have an infinite loop. That means when it gets to this particular point, it goes back to the beginning and just continues like that. It doesn't get here and stop. It goes back and keep going as long as the mobile screen or the laptop screen is on. So I'll use the same setting after delay. Because I've set it before, everything is on default now. So I am going to bring in my frame or your design that you already made. So I'm just going to bring in a mobile version frame and just put it in here. Or if you already designed your work, all you have to do is just transfer this into your frame. So I'll go to my asset panel, and this is already there, and I'll just drag and drop it in my frame wherever I want it to be. Now it's looking a lot bigger than the frame. Not to worry, you do not just come over here and start dragging manually. You have to use the scale tool is either you come over here and select the scale tool, or you use the shortcut K, and you're going to see that this your drag arrow is looking different. So you use that to resize it to where you want it to fit. You can put this in the middle of the page. So when we actually preview this, you're going to see that we have successfully made this cool animation. So this is how it's going to look like on a mobile version. If you want to put it on any version you want, but basically this is how you create this cool animation on Figma. You could use this for some login text or sign up text or hello text or anything you want to use it for, but basically this is how to do it. Thank you so much for watching. Please do not forget to subscribe, like, comment, share. Let me know what you'd like to learn on Figma, and I'll make a video that is really beginner friendly just like this for you. Bye.